Ni hao, 我的名字是柯家安, but most people know me by Jeff. So after watching the Foodie 5, I was craving some dumplings. But unfortunately, I don't know where I can get dumplings around here, and I'm too lazy to find out. So after 2 minutes of research, I decided I can cook it myself. And being inspired by Confucius, he said this: if I hear about it, I'll forget about it. If I see it, I'll remember. But if I do it, I'll understand. So this following video will contain my first experiences cooking dumplings. It was pretty fun, and honestly, it was pretty exciting. And I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Alright, for the first step, I had to organize my ingredients. I realized that I would need cabbage, and I had pre-made chicken, which is fried, some green onions, dumpling skins, soy sauce, and black pepper. After I was done preparing, I decided to first cut the cabbage because that would be the easiest step. Unfortunately, I realized that the chicken and the cabbage as well as the green onions were too thick for the dumpling skin, so I decided to fry them a bit so they can become softer. After having fried the insides of the dumpling, we had to next fill it. However, I do realize that the dumpling skins in this video are square and they're supposed to be circle, but hey, it's a first time. After I had used all the filling in the dumpling skin, I then fried the dumplings on a non-stick frying pan with little to medium amount of oil. After 2 or 3 minutes, you should check to see if the bottom is brown, which then I put around a cup of water on top of the dumplings and covered it with a top. After I was done cooking, I removed it and placed it all on a plate with a side of soy sauce. Here's the final results. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and have a good day. 再见!